This is FIMI Mini 3, and today I'll show how you can make your drone beep if you have lost it somewhere nearby or you just want it to beep for some reason on this device. So at the start, just take your remote controller, launch the dedicated FIMI Mini app and enter device or camera view. Now go into settings. Here select these 3 dots or 3 lines category, the last one you'll find, and go into Find My Drone interface. Here at the bottom right, press the Start Beeping button. Now wait for a few seconds, and as you will hear now, the drone is going to start beeping. To stop beeping, obviously just press the Stop Beeping button. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.